Today I'm gonna do something a little bit different that you haven't seen me do yet. So today I am grooming Taffy. Morning. Oh, good morning. It is cold It is cold this morning. My hands are frozen. Ah! All right, it's time to make breakfast. Oh, I should probably put some clothes on first. All right, much better. Let's make some breakfast. All right, breakfast is gonna be some air fried truffle potatoes. So we need the potatoes. Probably just one is enough, honestly. And then the onion, and then the air fryer. I need the avocado oil. Sweet, there we go. There's the setup. All right. Got that ready to go. So now I need to plug in my stove. All right, there we go. And then we let them sit for a bit, so we'll be back. We can check on it, stir it a little bit. Yum. Looking good. Ooh, they're starting to look crispy. This one's already almost done. Ooh, it's good but hot. The flavor is really good. Woo. It's really hot though. It's really hot. You see how much it's steaming? That's so cool, right? Okay. Ooh, yeah. That's good flavor. It's all done. Ow. Look at those. Look at those. Ooh, look how crispy that is. Ready for that? It's really hot. It's really, really hot. Our rice, mushrooms, and sausage, which is also just as good. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna scoot all this over, right? Scoot all this over. It's breakfast. One full bite of it all. It's good. And now we drink some yummy chocolate milk. Yummy. So good. Today I'm gonna do something a little bit different that you haven't seen me do yet, but a lot of people have been asking me, and so I kind of wanted to share on this process. So let's get it all set up. I've already got half of the stuff set up. Got the table set up for her. All right, good to go. I'm sitting on this so I can be closer to her, get a little bit more stable. All right. So today I am grooming Taffy. She hates it, absolutely hates it. Take your harness off, which she also hates getting taken off. Is this not the most beautiful area to do a dog groom though? All right, careful. Her fleet collar off. That's her fleet collar. And we're gonna take her pretties off, which is her collar. There we go. There's her pretties. Her collar.
Yeah. Is this what you look like before you're groomed? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna groom you now, all right? Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna give you a groom. Yeah. So I used to be a groomer, so this is how I know how to do this. Although I haven't done it in a long time, so I'm kind of out of practice, but I groom Taffy. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you are. You're so good. If you're wondering what I'm doing when I pull her skin up like this, or I move her skin like this, it's just tighten her hair so that I can actually groom it. So you just kind of pull her skin up, and that way I can actually get it. So you just pull the skin up, and that tightens the skin, so you can actually get it. Pull her ears out of the way and hold her head up. I know it looks dramatic, but that's how it is. And I promise you, she's okay.
Such a good girl.
I'm gonna turn her around so I can get her other leg. Good girl. Really, Wind? Of all the times you had to blow, you blow now, at the end of it. All right, so we're done with that for now. Now we're gonna do what are the thinning shears, which she hates the thinning shears, and I don't blame her. Yeah, you're such a good girl. It's very hard to get you even. You got some hair in your mouth. Blech. You might have to do it one of these days when it's not so windy. Yeah.
Glad you're done. Oh. There you go. Shake it off. Shake it off. What do you think? Yeah, cutie? I know the wind's got you all blowing, huh? There we go. What do you think, cutie? Yeah, all done? Okay.
Are you all done? Do you get a treat now? Oh, okay. Let's get a treat. Over here, come on. Starting to rain. Little sun showers. And I'm just sitting here like this, looking up at the sky, watching the rain come down. Not sure if you guys can see it, but I can see it. It's pretty cool. The little raindrops just falling. Air fryer salmon with barbecue sauce and onions. Yummy! I can't wait. It's already in here defrosting, and then after that I'm gonna put the barbecue sauce and the onions on it. Ooh, I can't wait. For 9 minutes. Ooh, it's all done. That looks yummy. Yummy, yummy. Flaky. Very hot too. Yum. There's a tiny little storm cloud rolling in right ahead of me. And it's funny because there's beautiful blue skies that way and beautiful blue skies this way. But right overhead, is the big boom thunder. I'm hoping you hear it. Here comes the rain though. funny though, it's gonna be very short. It's just right here. Just right here, and then it'll be done. That's so cool though. You hear it a little bit? Probably not. Isn't this such a beautiful area? It's gorgeous, right? Right? Yeah. Beautiful. I love it. So before I show you the next clip, can I talk to you guys about something a little bit personal, a little bit private? So I'm gonna take my shirt off, right? I ate a bunch of food today, right? So I got a little bit of belly on me. A little bit of a belly, not too bad, right? No, I'm in a sports bra and some shorts, right? Everybody that posts pictures of themselves in flattering stuff or revealing things, posing for the gram, saying check me out, everybody on the internet is seeking some type of attention. So when people are like, oh, well, she's showing off her body, she's just trying to get attention, everybody in some shape or form is trying to get attention. So why does it matter if a girl feels more comfortable kind of showing off her body? It really shouldn't matter. So I'm asking you guys as my followers to be respectful about that, because as I gain more confidence and as I start to like my body more, I'm gonna wear things that I'm a little bit more comfortable in. Why? Because I'm more comfortable in. And yeah, I'm wearing a shirt for most of the day because I feel a little bit heavy today and I didn't really want to show that off. So I decided to wear a shirt to hide it. But there'll be times where you'll see me wearing this and I'm totally happy, and I'm not doing it because I'm like, oh, check me out, even though obviously I'm doing it because this is what I feel comfortable in, okay? So let's get that all past, you guys. Let's just push that to the side. I'm not gonna ever make an OnlyFans. I'm sorry for all the followers that want me to make an OnlyFans, but it's not my cup of tea. So I appreciate all the people that follow me. I really appreciate everyone that's super respectful to me, and all the positive comments and even the negative ones that I get here and there. I love replying to everyone. So even if it's a negative comment, I'm gonna reply with something sarcastic most likely. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you keep watching and enjoy everything. And remember, be confident. Don't worry about what people think, because in the end, the only person that matters is you. So do what you want. Be comfortable, be wild, be free. Heck, why not? No, I'm not going to turn around to the camera. Sorry.
Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet.